Mr. Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Paul Espargaro. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
The moment of truth.
Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the fastest bruised. Oh, brilliant start.
Wait!
Fire from the side. Down he went. Won the fraction of Cathy. Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Roll through. Oh, it's Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well? It is! Oh, fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went. One of the factory Ducatis clattered in. Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Anglins from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Quartararo down! Is that Dovizioso? I think it is! Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went. One of the factory Ducatis clattered in. Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the. He's on the stretcher. Well, a Honda Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one. He's out here in Magello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is!